Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant on lock screen on Lenovo Tab E10. So you have to start with opening your Google application. And now click on your avatar. Now go to settings. And here go to Google Assistant. And now go to Hey Google and Voice Match. And you have to enable Hey Google. Now click More and I agree. Click More and then I agree. Now click Next and Next. And now click on Voice Model and click on Retrain Voice Model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click Next. And now you can click back. And click back again. And now click on lock screen. And click Yes, I'm in. And now make sure that this first option is enabled. And now let's check if this Google Assistant works on lock screen. Hey Google. Hey Google. As you can see, my Google Assistant now works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.